Hey guys, I'm JD Houvener. So glad you came to this page. And I bet you came here because you need clarity. And I'm here to tell you that from my 10 years of practicing patent law, having a discovery call to see what is what, to find out if there's a good fit, is an excellent place to start. On this discovery call, you will explore peer-to-peer expertise, learning why we believe so much that you deserve to speak with an engineer attorney, patent attorney, that understands the technical nuances of your invention. 2, a clear path to market. We move beyond the design and the legalese and introduce you to partners, people that can actually help build your product and get it ready for sale. 3, professional validation. Getting the expert support required to validate your invention and determine the best path to market. Trust us as your guide in the patent process and schedule your discovery call today. Go big, everyone. Go bold.